Well, I had planned on overwintering some of my peppers, but at the time I figured it was more important for me to get my garden started since I was behind on everything. So I pulled up most of my peppers, but I forgot about this one. I don't know if this one's going to survive or not, but I'm going to attempt to overwinter it. So what you want to do, first of all, you do want to take these peppers off because they're still good. You want to cut down to just a couple stems. So I'm cutting down to here, here. I don't even need that much there. And if you wonder if the plant is still alive, I don't know if you can see that greenness in there, but let me see if I can give you a better view. I don't know if you can tell if that plant's still alive. What, see all that greenness in there? That stem is still alive. So I'm going to overwinter it, and we're going to see what's going to happen. But I think we're going to have some success. So all I have is this little plant here. Grab little peppers up. Get deep down. That's a good amount of roots. So this is what's going to be going into a pot in my greenhouse initially, but eventually I'm probably going to put in my garage because my greenhouse is not heated, but my garage is connected to my house. And even when it got to 31, 32 degrees the other day, my garage was still fairly warm. So that's where this is going to end up. And next year, this will be one of my first pepper plants that I plant in the garden. And it will take off. Once again, you can see the greenness here. Not as much so here, but as long as this part here survives, I'm good to go. Now, I honestly can't tell you if it's going to make much of a difference, but I'm going to use the dirt from the hole that it came from. Maybe it'll make a little bit of a difference because I'm sure the plant is going to go through some type of shock. So having the original dirt that it was in might make it feel a little more at home. It has worms. I love to see worms in my soil. I'm not gonna pick through them all, but there's one. There was another one down there. I think it dropped, but they can stay down in there. Peppers are the type of plant. Peppers are the type of plant that it could last 2-3 years. I've heard them lasting 4 and 5, but I figure if I can get 2 years out of the same plant, it's worth a shot. I'll make sure it gets watered on a fairly regular basis. Maybe only once a week, but with it being fall, winter, it doesn't need too much water. So, happy planting.